What is the best way to get clients if I offer Amazon PPC services? Tell me. If you know how to do this, tell me, teach me. So when it comes down to really getting clients, if you're offering Amazon PPC services, and hear me out loud, what I was thinking on 5 years ago, if I would have offered Amazon services to a brand that did not know much about Amazon or they wanted to outsource this, they would have reacted differently because the market was less competitive. It was less of a red ocean. People were just starting with ads. Ads were totally on a different level when it comes down to how ads are being served, what are the capabilities of the ad types that you can be using, and even the skill set that you would need for running ads. 5 years ago, we started in advertising. It was super easy when it comes down to, hey, I'm achieving these results right now and I can deal with that. What I'm seeing now after 5 years, today is 2026, March 24, when I'm recording this. What I'm seeing is that brands have been burned so much by bad experiences, by bad agencies, by bad management. Brands have also been burned by so much of having such high expectations. They've been burned on so many levels that right now I have to gain trust. I have to gain their trust. I have to gain their, why am I the best thing since sliced bread for them, right? And not only that, but also see where they are right now. Because most brands are, especially the ones that are not doing at least 7 figures, they're still figuring things out. And there's a reason why they are smaller. Is because they don't know so much about ads. They're going to say, hey, this is the way how I want ads to run, and these are like, you're the strategies, but I'm actually the strategist too, so they are going to give away way less control, and then they're immediately, okay, after 1 week, do we have already performance report? How are we performing? Like, what is going on? And they are going to be very impatient when it comes down to results. On the other side, when it comes down to bigger brands, they understand that managing ads, it takes time, just because they got the skill of, hey, me as a business owner, it took me 5 years to become really good at this thing. And I understand that whoever I'm partnering up with, whenever they're delivering, it realistically takes time even to gather data. And here, not promoting it takes someone 3 to 6 months to prove any results, but I'm saying that generally brands that are bigger and they have a bigger view, and not only Amazon, they are going to be way easier to work with. And also they have strict operators that you would directly work with, so not with the brand owner. Getting back again, best way to get clients is really know what your skills are and where are you in this spectrum. Because if you want to just gain knowledge and gain experience and so on, and if you're saying, hey, I'm not charging anything, I just want to learn and so on, probably brands are going to accept that and give it a shot, give it a go. Keep in mind that for the past 5 years, I'm seeing a red ocean of Amazon PPC agencies, Amazon PPC consultants, Amazon PPC services, and it's really a price battle. If this is something that you actually want to do, I would question twice. And this is coming from an agency owner who has been through lots of things and lots of unpleasant experiences also with clients, just because I just shared with you the reason why that happened.